Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to bmascraftycorner. This is week 22 of Monday's Mixed Media Mini Morsels. There we go. We use a list of 50 prompts and a random number generator. If you would like a copy of this, you can go down to the description box below. All the way at the bottom, there's a link to my Google Drive where you can pick up a copy of this for yourself. We're going to go ahead and pull 5 prompts, and then when I'm done, I'm going to explain each one of them if it needs to be explained. Number 49 is the first one here, and that is to add words. Number 18, which is a free texture. Number 27, use metallic paint. Commercial. There's always commercials. Next up, 19, add paint with a brayer. And final one this week is number 42, and that is to doodle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what these are. Add words. So this can be, you can put typed words, you can use words from a word sheet, or maybe from a magazine or newspaper or a book. You can put words on in any way that you want. Just add some words. You can write them on. Doesn't matter. Free texture. So texture is anything made of fibers or that gives you some kind of a rough feeling. So texture paste, gesso, fiber, fabric, hot glue. These are all forms of texture. Metallic paint is any color metallic paint that you would like. Adding paint with a brayer. If you do not have a brayer like this, you can always use just like a card and put it on and just kind of wipe it. It's the same effect. And doodling. A doodle is anything. It's just you drawing on there any way that you want. It could be, you can put Ziggy on there, whatever you want. So you can add any kind of a doodle that you'd care to add to your piece. That's it. That's the whole thing for week 22. If you would like to post it in the group, we would love to see it. Just make sure that you note week 22 on it before you submit it to the Facebook group. There's a link in the description below. Until the next time, stay well. Bye-bye.